The ozone layer, protecting our planet's shield. The ozone layer is a crucial component of Earth's atmosphere that plays a vital role in safeguarding life on our planet. Situated within the stratosphere, approximately 10 to 30 miles above the Earth's surface, this protective layer shields us from harmful ultraviolet radiation emitted by the sun. The ozone layer is primarily composed of ozone molecules that are formed by the interaction of oxygen molecules and UV radiation. It acts as a natural sunscreen, absorbing most of the sun's high-energy UVB and UVC rays, which are detrimental to life on Earth. The absorption of UV radiation by the ozone layer helps to maintain a balance that is essential for the health of both humans and the environment. Depletion of the ozone layer. Unfortunately, the ozone layer has been facing a significant threat due to human activities. The main cause of its depletion is the release of certain chemicals into the atmosphere, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, halons, carbon tetrachloride, and methylchloroform. These chemicals, commonly found in aerosol propellants, refrigerants, and industrial processes, undergo reactions that release chlorine and bromine atoms when they reach the stratosphere. The release of chlorine and bromine atoms into the stratosphere initiates a series of chemical reactions that lead to the destruction of ozone molecules. The most significant cause is the catalytic reaction involving chlorine atoms, which can continuously break down thousands of ozone molecules before being deactivated. The depletion of the ozone layer has several dire consequences, including increased UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. Exposure to high levels of UV radiation poses various risks to human health, such as skin cancer, cataracts, weakened immune systems, and DNA damage. It also affects ecosystems by harming phytoplankton, marine life, and terrestrial plants. Moreover, ozone depletion contributes to climate change, as some ozone-depleting substances also act as potent greenhouse gases. Recognizing the severity of the issue, the international community took decisive action to combat ozone depletion. The landmark Montreal Protocol, agreed upon in 1987, stands as one of the most successful environmental treaties ever adopted. It aimed to phase out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances, providing a framework for global cooperation and action. Under the Montreal Protocol, countries committed to the gradual elimination of the production and use of CFCs, halons, and other harmful substances. The treaty has been highly effective, with the phased-out substances being replaced by safer alternatives. The cooperation and compliance of nations have significantly contributed to the recovery of the ozone layer, demonstrating the potential for successful global environmental governance.
So we know the Montreal Protocol was a huge success. This was signed in the late 1980s when scientists and policymakers from around the world gathered together to try to save the ozone layer.
While significant progress has been made in addressing ozone depletion, challenges remain. Some regions still struggle with illegal production and trade of ozone-depleting substances, requiring increased enforcement efforts. Additionally, the presence of ozone holes over certain areas, such as Antarctica, serves as a reminder that the ozone layer's recovery is an ongoing process. Looking ahead, it is crucial to maintain global collaboration and continue monitoring the state of the ozone layer. Research and technological advancements are vital in understanding the complex interactions between ozone depletion and climate change. Furthermore, public awareness and education play a critical role in promoting individual and collective actions to protect the ozone layer. The ozone layer serves as a shield against harmful UV radiation, protecting life on Earth. However, human activities have caused significant damage to this vital layer through the release of ozone-depleting substances.
Now to an international report which says that human action to save the ozone layer appears to have worked. The study says it should fully recover within decades, as Naomi Choi.
The phase-out of nearly 99% of banned ozone-depleting substances has succeeded in safeguarding the ozone layer, leading to a notable recovery of the ozone layer in the upper stratosphere and decreased human exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun.
The international community's response, exemplified by the Montreal Protocol, has shown that collective action can address environmental challenges effectively. While progress has been made in recovering the ozone layer, it is essential to remain vigilant and continue the global efforts to combat ozone depletion. By adhering to international agreements, implementing sustainable practices, and promoting environmental awareness, we can ensure the preservation of the ozone layer for future generations and maintain a healthier planet for all. An international report states that human efforts to save the ozone layer have proven successful. Now some positive news indicating that the ozone layer is healing and could be fully restored within the next 4 decades. A new report, co-authored by the UN, US, and EU, confirms that human actions to ban ozone-depleting chemicals have been effective. The phase-out of almost 99% of these substances has successfully safeguarded the ozone layer, resulting in significant recovery in the upper stratosphere and reduced human exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays. Absolutely. Saving our planet's ozone layer is crucial for the well-being of our environment and all living organisms. The ozone layer is a protective layer in the Earth's stratosphere that shields us from harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation coming from the sun. Here are a few reasons why it's essential to preserve and protect the ozone layer. Preservation of ecosystems. The ozone layer plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. UV radiation can harm phytoplankton, microscopic organisms at the base of the ocean food chain, leading to disruptions in the marine ecosystem. It can also damage plants, reduce crop yields, and negatively impact biodiversity. Climate regulation. The ozone layer is interconnected with the Earth's climate system. It influences temperature patterns and atmospheric circulation. Depletion of the ozone layer can contribute to climate change and alter weather patterns, affecting rainfall, wind patterns, and the overall climate. Responsible consumption. Choose products that do not contain ODS. Look for labels that indicate the absence of CFCs or other harmful substances. Proper disposal. Ensure the proper disposal of products containing ODS, such as old refrigerators or air conditioners. ODS should be captured and recycled to prevent their release into the atmosphere. Energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient appliances and practices to reduce the need for cooling and refrigeration, which can contribute to the emission of ozone-depleting substances. Raise awareness. Educate others about the importance of the ozone layer and the actions they can take to protect it. Encourage sustainable practices and environmentally friendly choices. By collectively working towards protecting the ozone layer, we can safeguard our planet's ecosystems, support human health, and contribute to a sustainable future. Watching our mysterious universe. Enthusiasm and passion for all things space is infectious, and his videos are sure to leave you feeling inspired and curious. Great channel for anyone who wants to learn more about the universe.